Hello, good day. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at these questions on plane geometry. Here, I say calculate the value of P and the interior's angle. So here, we're going to find this angle here. These are the interior's angle of the triangle. Okay, let's assume that we label this one as small letter B, this small letter A, and this small letter C. Okay, now here we're going to adopt one approach on one of the theorem which recently established in my previous video that says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So here this angle B, the angle B here as specified there is the same thing as 2 2p degree. The reason is that vertically opposite angle they are equal. So this angle B here is the same thing as 2p degree. Then similarly, the angle C here too is the same thing as 3 p degree too, because these are what we refer to as the vertical opposite angle. Usually they are equal. Then if you look at angle, if you look at angle BAD, angle BAD is equal to angle angle ABC plus angle AC ACB. So we are referring to this angle here, that the angle here, this angle here, okay, which is the exterior angle to the triangle ABC, is equal to the sum of this angle C plus B. So we could say that 180 minus 4p is equal to what? The angle C plus angle B. The reason is that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this angle here is exterior, means arc side, is the sum of this plus this angle here C. Since we've already know that angle C is 3p and the angle B is 2p. So now let's move on. Let's move on and see how this can be resolved. So here, if we move this this way, we see that here this become 2p plus 3p is equal to 180 minus 4p. Okay, with the reason is that once you have a triangle, the this angle here, which is angle BAD, is equal to the sum of the sum of these two angles here, B plus C. Okay, so the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So 2p plus 3p, that gives 5p, is equal to 180 degree minus 4p. Now this is a simple equation. For us to move this, we have to collect lightens, and in order for us to do that, we just add 4p, add 4p to both sides. So if you do that, this is 4p plus 5p is equal to 180 minus 4p plus 4p. Now, the essence, why are we adding 4p to both sides? Because we want to remove this, we want to get rid of minus 4p from this side on the right hand sides, so that eventually 4p plus 5p, that gives 9p. Here, the minus 4p plus 4p here, this is off, and what is left on the right hand side is 180. Now, to obtain the value of p, all we need to do is to divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by 9. So here, let's go with this. 9 here, 9 into 18 is 2. 9 into 0 is 0. So that the value of p is 20 degree. Now, since we have known the value of p, we can definitely now find all the interior angle. So that's the second question, that we should find the interior angle of the triangle. So for us to get this, we already said that what is here is 2. This place is 2p. So 2 times 20, since p is known to be 20. So 2 times 20, and that will give 40. So this angle here is 40 degree. Then for us to obtain this angle, we said that this is this angle here, 3p, the same thing as here, because they are vertical opposite angle. So that means this is 3 multiplied by 20, and that gives 60 degree. 60 degree. Then here we can easily obtain the value of here. Okay, if this rate is 60, okay, we can easily obtain it by summing all the angles together, since we know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So this become a plus 60 plus 40 is equals to 180. Now, if this question is theory, please always specify. You write in bracket, you put the reason why it is like that. The reason here is that the sum of angle, the sum of the interior angle of a triangle, they add up to give a 180. So here, 60 plus 40, that is 100. So we are moving it to the right hand side, become negative. That is 180 minus 100. So that the value of a is become 80. That's one way of obtaining this angle A here. Then another way you can also obtain it is that here we have a 180. This angle BAD is 180 minus what? Of 4p. Since p is what? P is 20. So 4 times 20, that gives 80. So 180 minus 80, that gives 100. Okay, then if you look at this one, this is a straight line, so it means 100 plus a 100 plus a will give 180, because it's sum of angle in a straight line. And if you do that again, you will also arrive that a is also 80 degree. This is another way you can also handle it. Please, if you find this video very useful, please help me subscribe, follow my Facebook page, Agromatics. I'll see you in my next virtual class.